How many times have you opened the fridge, stared inside like it was the gateway to Narnia, and secretly hoped a talking sandwich would give you dinner ideas? Be honest. If the answer is way too many, congratulations, you've basically been auditioning for the Olympics of procrastination. But here's the plot twist. Why suffer through food anxiety and chaos when AI can do the heavy lifting for you? Why this matters. By the end, you won't just know about 5 of the most exciting AI apps of 2025, you'll also gain tools that turn chaos into clarity. Imagine an AI that plans your meals, captures your shower thoughts, books your rides, tames your PDFs, and even codes faster than your most caffeinated college roommate. Without them, your ideas stay buried under chores. With them, you become a storytelling superhero with AI sidekicks. And this isn't just for tech insiders, it's for multitaskers, parents, students, creators, and even that one friend who swears they're not a tech person while binging TikTok for hours. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find laughs, aha moments, and maybe the spark to finally tell that story you've been putting off. 5. Ollie and Maple. What if dinner planned itself? Let's start with the most universal pain point. Dinner. Honestly, is there anything more stressful than someone asking, "What's for dinner?" and realizing you've got no plan, no groceries, and only existential dread in the pantry? That's where Ollie and Maple come in, your household sanity savers. Ollie, highlighted by the Washington Post in August 2025, is an AI-powered meal planner that doesn't just give you recipes, it builds full weekly menus tailored to your dietary needs, family preferences, and even grocery store discounts. Translation: it saves your wallet and your sanity. It's like a personal chef who's also a coupon-clipping grandma. No arguments about dinner, no fridge staring, no emergency takeout, just food handled. Maple, meanwhile, is the family command center you didn't know you needed. It merges calendars, reminders, and task lists into one cozy digital home. Your partner's dentist appointment, your kid's soccer match, your own meetings, it all syncs seamlessly. Maple ensures you'll never again get that dreaded text, "Did you forget the birthday dinner?" Together, Ollie and Maple eliminate 2 of the biggest time drains: meal planning and schedule chaos. That's hours of your life back, hours you can now use to brainstorm stories, finish projects, or finally relax. Try Ollie tonight, and I promise, tomorrow's "What's for dinner?" panic will vanish faster than leftovers after Thanksgiving. 4. Why are you still typing like it's 2005? Serious question. Why are you still typing like it's 2005? Look, typing is great for dramatic movie montages, but in real life, it's slow, clunky, and can't keep up with your brain. Enter WhisperFlow, the shiny new speech-to-text app launching in 2025 that makes dictation cool again. WhisperFlow works across Mac, Windows, and iOS, and it doesn't just transcribe, it formats. It auto-punctuates, organizes, and even executes voice commands. Think about it. No more rambling mess when you dictate. Instead, your random voice note in the car comes back as a polished paragraph. Your shower thought at 7 a.m. suddenly looks like a script you could send to Netflix. Typing is for mortals. Dictation with WhisperFlow is like whispering to a ghostwriter who's faster than you, more accurate than your high school English teacher, and never rolls their eyes when you say "like" too many times. Want an instant productivity hack? Try dictating your next story idea while brushing your teeth. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to tell stories when your fingers stop slowing down your brain. And once you try it, you'll start asking yourself, why did I ever waste hours on a keyboard when I could have been speaking brilliance into existence? The truth is, once you switch, typing feels like trying to run a marathon in flip-flops, unnecessary, outdated, and slightly painful. WhisperFlow doesn't just save time, it saves ideas before they vanish into the black hole of forgetfulness. And here's the fun twist. The more you use it, the more natural it feels, until talking to your phone feels less like dictation and more like having your own personal stenographer on call 24/7. 3. What if your to-do list did itself? Here's another question. What if your to-do list just did itself? No reminders? No juggling tabs? No begging your partner to order groceries on their way home? That's exactly what Cruty and ChatGPT Agent are here for. Launched in June 2025, Kruti is India's first large-scale multilingual AI assistant. It speaks 13 languages, orders your Swiggy groceries, books your Uber, and even pays bills. Siri could never. It's not just smart, it's culturally fluent, patient, and genuinely helpful. Imagine all your daily app juggling condensed into one simple conversation. On the global stage, ChatGPT agent takes things even further. OpenAI. I gave it its own computer, meaning it doesn't just answer questions, it executes tasks. Tell it, draft a blog on leadership, and it researches, writes, and emails it to you. Tell it, organize my inbox, and it just does it. This is the assistant you always wanted. The one who doesn't call in sick, doesn't ask for raises, and doesn't circle back later. Humor me. When was the last time your brain actually did all the things on your to-do list without whining? Exactly. ChatGPT agent is like your brain finally showing up to work. If you're in India, let Kruti lighten your load. Anywhere else? Flip on agent mode and watch your tasks vanish faster than ice cream on a hot day. Once you see your inbox magically clean itself, you'll never want to go back. 2. What if PDFs weren't a nightmare? Okay, real talk. Have you ever opened a 50-page PDF and thought, you know what, I'll just wing the presentation? Same. PDFs have always been digital bricks, heavy, clunky, and designed to make you question your life choices. But in 2025, Adobe said, not anymore. Say hello to Acrobat Studio. This new platform combines Acrobat Pro, Adobe Express, and advanced AI to create what it calls PDF spaces. You can dump up to 100 files in there and let AI assistants like the analyst, the instructor, or the entertainer summarize, organize, or even turn them into slide decks. Suddenly, instead of drowning in pages, you've got neat story beats, highlights, and visuals ready to go. Think of it this way. PDFs used to be like cinder blocks. Now they're Lego pieces you can actually build something with. Want to pull research for a story? Done. Need slides for a client pitch? Generated. Want a summary of a 100-page contract? Serve. Acrobat Studio transforms document chaos into clarity, and for creators, that's priceless. Try it once and you'll never see PDFs the same way again. In fact, you might even start volunteering to handle the documents just to show off your new secret weapon. 1. Can you code without crying? Can you code without crying? If your answer is no, don't worry. DevStrawl is here to help. Released by Mistral AI in May 2025, DevStrawl is an open-source, Apache-licensed coding model that's shaking up the game. It rivals heavyweights like Google's Gemma 3 and DeepSeek V3, but it's free and flexible. The beauty of DevStrawl is that you don't have to be a hardcore coder to use it. Want a script to auto-resize your YouTube thumbnails? DevStrawl can whip it up. Need a bot that organizes your script notes into scenes? Easy. Instead of banging your head against documentation, you're basically co-writing code with an AI that actually knows what it's doing. For coders, it's like nitro fuel. For beginners, it's like cheat codes for real life. And for storytellers, it's one more way to automate the boring stuff so you can focus on the fun. Even if you're tech-shy, try generating one small script. You'll feel like Tony Stark building Jarvis, minus the risk of creating a murderous robot. And here's the kicker. Once you see your code actually work without tears, you might find yourself enjoying it. Crazy, right? We've explored 5 AI heroes of 2025, Ollie and Maple to tame meals and schedules, Whisperflow to turn your voice into writing, Kruti and ChatGPT Agent to clear your to-do list, Acrobat Studio to transform PDFs, and DevStrawl to make coding simple. The message is simple. Chaos kills creativity, but these tools give you back time, focus, and spark. The most powerful stories aren't just told, they're freed. Freed from chores, clutter, and overwhelm, so you can notice, reflect, connect, and create the stories only you can share. If you laughed, learned, or nodded along, smash that like button, subscribe for more creative hacks, and drop a comment telling me which of these AI apps you'd invite into your life first. And if you're ready to go deeper, check out my next video.